What is harmony? Let's find out, but first let's start with the melody. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
It started with just a simple melody, but when the other voices joined in, the sound became bigger and richer. That's because of harmony. Harmony happens when two or more notes are played or sung at the same time. Instead of just one sound, harmony adds color, depth, and excitement to music. Listen as our friends demonstrate harmony using Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Let's start with just the melody.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
And now the first harmony.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Sounds great. Now, when three or more notes are sung or played together, that's called a chord. Let's listen to Twinkle Twinkle Little Star again, this time with three voices singing chords.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Wow.
Did you hear how full that sounded? Let's listen one more time.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Excellent job, guys.
Thank you.
Harmony shows up in many ways, from choirs and vocal groups, instruments like the guitar, piano, and organ. Even bands and orchestras. That's what makes music so rich and exciting. Let's make harmony together, but first let's sing each note individually. Let's start with A. Listen. Now it's your turn. Now let's do C sharp. Listen. Your turn. Last but not least, E. Listen. Your turn. Okay, now that we've heard all three notes individually, let's sing them all together. Pick which note you'll sing and get ready. Here we go. One more time. So remember, melody is the tune that leads the song. Harmony is what makes it sound rich and beautiful. When voices and instruments join together, they create harmony, another musical building block. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.